Welcome students in our mathematics class of class 10. The topic is coordinate geometry, and today we derive the distance formula. So first of all, now draw the figure of this. Now here this is the Cartesian plane. Why this is known as Cartesian plane? Because this plane in x and y axis, so it is known as Cartesian plane. Take a point A here, that is A, which point is x1 comma y1, and another B, that is x2 comma y2. We have to find the distance between AB. Our formula is that is take let A be a point x1 y1 and B, this is the point x2 y2, and our formula, the distance between A and B, we have to write AB is equal to रूट में x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we have to prove this formula. So take, this is x axis and this is minus x dash, x axis negative side, this is y axis, and y dash, this is negative side of the y axis. Take, this is origin where x O x dash and y O y dash intersect at O. This point is known as origin. Now take a point A in this plane, xy plane. Take a point A whose coordinates be x1 and y1, and B, that is x2 and y2. Now draw this AL perpendicular on OX, and BM is also perpendicular on OX. Take this, if this point x1 be x1 and y1, so here OL, the distance between OL, that is x1, and AL, which is y1. Now the distance between this OM is x2 and this BM is y2. Now draw AC perpendicular on BM. This is the perpendicular side. So we have to find what is AC, distance between AC and distance between BC. So right here, that is in solution, AL perpendicular on OX, BM is also perpendicular on OX, and AC is also perpendicular on BM. So therefore triangle ABC be right angled triangle, right angle at C. This here C. Now write, that is what is AL. OL is equal to x1, OM is equal to x2. Then we have to find LM. This implies that LM is equal to OM minus OL, and OM is equal to x2 and OL is x1. So this can also be written as LM is equal to AC, this is AC. So right here, that is x2 minus x1. Again in this figure, now take AL, that is AL is equal to y1, and which is also equal to CM, because this side are AL is also equal to CM. So CM is equal to y1 and BM is equal to y2. BM is equal to y2. So we have to find BC. Therefore BC is equal to BM minus CM. This is equal to y2 minus y1. So we find BC, that is the distance between BC, that is y2 minus y1. And since this triangle is right angle triangle, so we have to use the formula Pythagoras theorem. Now in right triangle ACB, that is h square is equal to b square plus p square. This is the Pythagoras theorem, that is by Pythagoras theorem for this formula. And h is equal to AB, here AB square, and b, that is AC square, and p, which is BC square. Now put this BC is equal to y2 minus y1 and AC is equal to x2 minus x1 in this place. So AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. So if we have to find AB, therefore AB is also equal to this, can written be in square root, that is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. This is the derivation of the distance between the 2 points, the formula of distance between the 2 points, that is AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It means if 2 points are given, then we have to find the distance between AB. So x1 y1 be first point and x2 y2 be second point. So the formula is AB is equal to root में x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, thank you.